Exercise 13. So, if x is bigger than 3, which of the following is equivalent to 1 divided by 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 3? Okay, so let's just clean this up. First, let's rewrite this. So, to clean it up, we need a common denominator. So for this kind of expression, the common denominator will be just multiplication of denominators. So it will be x plus 2 times x plus 3. And here, if we multiplied x plus 2 by x plus 3, the same we have to do with 1. So we will have x plus 3. And in the second fraction, we will have 1 times x plus 2. But I don't want to write so much, so I will put them on one denominator already now. Okay, and now we have 1 divided, and here we will have 2x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 3. So we can turn this fraction around and we will get x plus 2 times x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 5. Let's check the answers if we have anything similar to this. So definitely not A. It's 2x plus 5 is in numerator and we want it in denominator. So A will not be okay. B looks promising. C not, D not. So let's just check if we multiply those brackets here, if we will really get x squared plus 5x plus 6. So when we multiply this, we will have x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 5. And now the last thing, we can simplify this formula and we get x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 5. And yes, now we can see that this is answer B. So it's answer B is the correct answer. Okay, so let's go to exercise 14. Oh. Exercise 14. If 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y? So 3x minus y equals 12, and we have 8 to power of x divided by 2 to the power of y. Okay, so we can use this formula here to calculate one of those letters of those variables and substitute in our expression. So for example, we can add y and subtract 12, and we will get 3x minus 12 is equal to y. And now instead of y we can write 3x minus 12. So we will get 8 to x divided by 2 to the power of 3x minus 12. Now one more thing, 8 equals 2 cubed. So we can write it like this. And why would we do this? Because now we will have the same basis of our exponentiation. So we will get 2 to the power of 3x divided by 2 to the power of 3x minus 12. And if we have the same basis and division, then we know that we need to subtract our exponents. So we will get 3x minus 3x minus 12. 3x minus 12 in bracket. But now we leave the bracket and we get 3x minus 3x plus 12. And those things cancel out and we get 2 to the power of 12. And we can see this is answer A. It wouldn't be answer B because 4 to the power of 4 is 2 squared to the power of 4 and it is 2 to the power of 8. The same, not 8 to 8 squared because it will be 2 to the power of 3 squared. It will be 2 to the power of 6. The value cannot be determined from the information given. It can be, so also not D. So yeah, here answer A is the correct answer. And let's go to question number 15. So, exercise 15. If ax plus 2 times bx plus 7 equals 15x squared plus cx plus 14 for all values of x and a plus b equals 8, what are the two possible values for c? Okay, so we have ax plus 2 times bx plus 7 equals 15x squared plus cx plus 14. And we also know a plus b equals 8. Okay, so I would multiply those things, those brackets. So we would get abx squared plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14. Uh, and I would also write this a little bit different. Abx squared plus x times, and in the bracket we have 7a plus 2b plus 14. And now we know it has to be the same as 15x squared plus cx plus 14. So what we get here, if they have to be the same, then it means that the coefficients for a corresponding powers of x have to be the same, which means a times b has to equal 15 and 7a plus 2b has to equal c. 14 equals 14, so it's not a problem. And we also have this last thing that a plus b equals 8. Okay, so we have a system of equations here. How can we solve this? Well, for example, we can use the last formula, a plus b equals 8, to write b equals 8 minus a. And now we can substitute this to the first equation, and we get a times 8 minus a equals 15. Okay, so we can multiply this a by this bracket. We get 8a minus a squared equals 15. So it's a quadratic equation, so we can solve it in a standard way. So let's put all of this on the right side, and we get a squared minus 8a plus 15 equals 0. Now we can calculate delta. I'm not sure how in other countries, but here in Poland, when we have quadratic equations, we almost always solve this by using delta. So the formula for delta is b squared minus 4ac. Of course, it's if you have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, this kind of equation, then this is the formula for a delta. Do not make a mistake. This a here is not the same as a here. This a here is x, is corresponding to this x in a normal formula. So our a, b, and c for our delta will be a would equal what we have, what is the coefficient near the a square term? Well, we don't see any number here. This means it is 1. For b, it is the number that we multiply by a here, which is minus 8. And c is the value that doesn't correspond, that is a free number, that there is no a or no x near it, so it will be 15. Now we can calculate our delta. This will be minus a squared minus 4 times 1 times 15, and minus a squared, 8 squared, it's 64, minus 4 times 15 equals 60, which means 4. And now the formulas. So normally it would be x1 equals minus b minus square root of delta divided by 2a, and x2 minus b plus square root of delta divided by 2a. Okay, so in our uh, in our situation, I would rather call it a1 and a2 because our variable is called a, so that not to be confused with some x. Okay, and our minus b is minus 8, so minus b is 8 minus square root of 4 divided by 2 times 1 because our a was 1. And it will be 8 minus 2 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, it's 3. And a2, 8 plus square root of 4 divided by 2 times 1. It is 8 plus 2 divided by 2. 10 by 2, it's 5. So we have two solutions, but actually they give the same solution. I mean, it won't be the same answer, but if a equals 3, then b equals 8 minus 3, which is 5. And if a equals 5, then b equals 8 minus 5, which is 3. So basically the same numbers, but it will give us the different answer because here c equals 7a plus 2b. So c equals 7a plus 2b. We can see that the role of those numbers is different. A is multiplied by 7 and b is multiplied by 2. So it's important which number will be a and which number will be b. First solution, C1, let's say a equals 3, then b equals 5, and we get 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5. It is 21 plus 10, it is 31. So we see that it should be answer D. And the other solution, C2, now a equals 5 and b equals 3, and we get 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3. It will be 35 plus 6. It will be 41. And we have a confirmation. Answer D is the correct answer here. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe and turn the notification bell and do all this stuff that happy viewer does after watching a video. And well, have a good day. Bye.